Brand new 5-bedroom house dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. Nasa isang safe, gated and flood-free subdivision na may 2-car garage, automatic gate, at automatic door lock system naman dito. Sukin natin. Napakaluwag nung space kasi meron tong lot area na 219 square meters. Ang floor area nasa mga 320 square meters. Kaya big space, open layout. Ito na yung living, dining, and may maganda kang lanay. Maraming mga plants. Fully air-conditioned ang iyong ground floor. Maganda rin yung kitchen, no? Tapos meron siyang bedroom dito sa ground floor na may sariling bathroom. At meron pa siyang powder room. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo ang ganda rin talaga ng second floor. Bye!